In this video, we're going to be doing a probability question, and it's going to be with replacement. Okay, so with replacement means, like, let's say you take a like something out of a bag. So in this case, we have a bag and it's full of stones. We have 4 red stones and 6 green stones. So Max takes 3 stones, one at a time, with replacement. So what that means is he's going to take a stone out of the bag, and then he's going to put that same stone straight back in the bag. So he's not changing anything in the bag. Okay, he's just taking it out, seeing what it is, and putting it straight back. So what's the probability that Max picks out 3 red stones? In order to work that out, you could draw a quick tree diagram. Okay, so a red stone and not a red stone, or in this case the other option was a green stone. So you could put R and you could actually put a G there if you wanted to, but we're interested in the red stone. So red, red and red. Okay, so this is the path that we need to take in order to get the probability that we're after, and the probability of a red is 4/10. Okay, so the probability of red, red, red is 4/10 times 4/10 times 4/10, which makes 64 over 1,000. And when you simplify that, it becomes 8 over 125. And that is the answer there. Any questions? Just leave them in the comment section below.